Welcome to HomePantry, and today we're diving deep into a kitchenware set that promises both performance and aesthetic appeal. We're talking about the Viking Contemporary 4-ply pots and pan set, a 9-piece collection featuring a striking copper finish. If you're looking to upgrade your culinary arsenal or simply add a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen, this set might just be what you're looking for. Let's break down what makes this Viking set stand out. First off, let's talk about the sheer completeness of this set. It's a 9-piece collection, which is a pretty substantial offering for any home chef. Inside, you'll find 2 frying pans, a 10-inch and a 12-inch, perfect for searing, sautéing, and pretty much all your everyday cooking needs. Then there's a 3.4-quart saucepan, which is a workhorse for sauces, grains, and boiling. What's particularly thoughtful here is the inclusion of a 3.4-quart stainless steel steamer insert. This isn't something you find in every cookware set, and it adds a significant layer of versatility, allowing you to steam vegetables, fish, or dumplings with ease. Moving on, we have a 4.8-quart sauté pan with a lid, great for pan frying and dishes that require a bit more depth. And finally, the piece de resistance, an 8-quart stockpot with a lid. This is your go-to for soups, stews, pasta, and anything that needs a generous amount of space and simmering time. So, in terms of what's included, Viking has covered a lot of ground, catering to both simple weeknight meals and more ambitious culinary projects. Now, the real magic of any cookware lies in its construction and how it performs. The Viking set boasts a 4-ply construction. This means it's built with multiple layers to optimize heat distribution and retention. Specifically, it features a non-reactive 304 stainless steel interior, which is excellent for preventing any metallic taste from leaching into your food and is durable. This is sandwiched around an aluminum core, known for its fantastic heat conductivity, ensuring your pans heat up quickly and evenly. The exterior is where the beauty comes in, with a copper finish. Copper is renowned for its superior temperature control, allowing for precise adjustments when cooking. This multi-ply clad construction is designed to transfer heat efficiently not just across the bottom of the pans but also up the sides, which is crucial for consistent cooking. The lids are also designed with functionality in mind. They are domed metal lids, which Viking states help to keep food moist during cooking. This is particularly useful for braising or simmering, as it helps to trap steam and flavor. Another key feature is the versatility of these pans. They are compatible with all cooking surfaces: gas, halogen, ceramic, electric, and induction. This is a huge plus, meaning you don't have to worry about upgrading your stovetop to use this set. Furthermore, they are oven-safe up to a very respectable 600 degrees Fahrenheit, or 315 degrees Celsius. This allows you to start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven, offering greater flexibility in your cooking methods. Comfort is also a significant consideration in cookware, and Viking has addressed this with their ergonomic handles. These handles are designed to provide comfort, balance, and control as you move the pots and pans around your kitchen, which is especially important when dealing with hot pans or large quantities of food. Visually, this set is undeniably attractive. The sleek, artisan copper finish is designed to complement modern kitchen decors. It's a departure from the standard stainless steel or black finishes, offering a sophisticated and stylish look that can really elevate the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. Now, let's talk about the practical aspects of ownership. Viking recommends that these professional cookware pieces are easy to hand wash with hot water. While they are durable, hand washing is generally the best way to preserve the life and appearance of high-quality cookware, especially those with copper exteriors. From a gifting perspective, Viking highlights this copper cookware set as an excellent gift for cooking enthusiasts. They mention their broad assortment of kitchen products, suggesting that if this set doesn't quite hit the mark, there are other options within the Viking brand. It's also worth noting that these cookware sets are backed by a limited lifetime warranty, which provides a good level of assurance for your investment. So, let's summarize the pros and cons. On the positive side, the 9-piece set is comprehensive, covering a wide range of cooking needs. The 4-ply construction with copper is excellent for heat control and even distribution. The inclusion of a steamer insert adds significant value and versatility. The wide compatibility with all stovetops and the high oven-safe temperature are major advantages. The ergonomic handles and stylish copper finish are also strong points. And that limited lifetime warranty offers peace of mind. However, there are a few things to consider. While the 4-ply construction is excellent, it can also make the cookware heavier than single-layer alternatives. The copper exterior, while beautiful, often requires more attention to maintain its shine and can show discoloration if not cared for properly, despite the recommendation for easy hand washing. Also, while the set is described as versatile, the specific sizes of the pans might not be ideal for everyone's individual needs, though the 9-piece selection is generally well balanced. Finally, the term copper cookware can sometimes imply a more extensive copper layer than what might be present in a clad construction, so it's important to understand that the primary heating element is the aluminum core, with copper providing the premium exterior finish and contributing to heat control. In conclusion, the Viking Contemporary 4-ply pots and pan set is a beautiful and well-constructed cookware collection that offers excellent performance characteristics thanks to its multi-ply build and copper exterior. It's ideal for home cooks who appreciate both functionality and aesthetics, and its comprehensive nature makes it a strong contender for anyone looking to significantly upgrade their kitchen setup. The thoughtful inclusion of a steamer and the wide range of compatibility across cooktops further enhance its appeal. If you're willing to put in a little extra care to maintain its stunning copper finish, this set could serve you exceptionally well for years to come. Link in the description.